Let's look at this quadratic expression. If you're asked to expand v minus 4, open bracket and close bracket, for v minus 9, you also expand these. First of all, you must multiply the first two terms. These first two terms, as v times v, is v squared. Then you now multiply the outer, multiply the last two terms. The last two terms here, minus 4 minus 9 times minus 9 will give you plus 36. Now, finally, the one at the middle, which is the middle term there, you will multiply and add the inner and the outer pairs. And multiplying the inner and the outer pairs, that is minus 4 times v is minus 4v, plus 9 times minus 9 will be minus 9v. So adding them together, it's going to be minus 13v. This is how to go about the expansion of this expression. Minus v squared minus 13v plus 36. That gives you this. You can reverse back to that if you want to. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.